slow down. Don't slow down. Don't slow down.
Hey guys, Hoffinator7. I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. I believe this is a Triforce clone sight. It's basically an Aimpoint replica, but with a chevron instead of a dot. Chevron is the triangle like you see on an ACOG. And I found this on eBay because it's actually kind of hard to find a replica of these, and real ones are like $400. Alright, pretty cool. See this here? So it mounts with your standard 30mm mount right here. Batteries go in here, and kind of like the Repro EOTechs, you've got the buttons here, and that should turn it green. So I'll load up some batteries and we'll see if it works. Oh, it's on. Okay. Cool. Let's see if you can see that. There you go. That's the chevron. And it should be red as well. Brightness settings. Alright, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so I got this for 15 bucks on eBay. Pretty good find. And it's going to be going on one of my project guns. So stay tuned for that.